Wow. Look at this. The last one is always the best. Although you got some competition with this one, so we got 8 of them. Beautiful Polish fried doughs. Phenomenal. Let's take a look underneath here. Oh, yes. Not yet though, not yet. Not crispy enough, my friends. This side is, but not the other side. The easiest thing in the world, my friends. Get some oil, get some dough, whether you make your own or not. Get a little sauce, some powdered sugar, and turn your house into a carnival for the night. Delicious. Oh, there we go. A couple more seconds, that's all.